Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fiza and I am so excited to be sharing my experiences and knowledge with you all. Whether you're an avid traveler or just looking for some inspiration for your next adventure, you've come to the right place. On this channel, I'll be sharing my travels from all around the world, from the sandy beaches of Bali to the snowy peaks of Swiss Alps. I'll take you on a journey to some of the most beautiful destinations on the planet. Along the way, I'll be sharing travel tips, advice, and recommendations to help you make the most of your own travels. But travel isn't just about seeing beautiful places, it's also about meeting new people, trying new foods, and experiencing different cultures. That's why I'll be sharing my experiences with the local cuisine, cultural activities, and unique experiences that you won't find in any guidebook. So, if you're ready to join me on this exciting journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you have any travel destinations or topic that you'd like me to cover, be sure to let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and I can't wait to share more with you soon.